humble tomato, the world's most popular fruit. Human beings eat billions of them every year. But we aren't the only creatures that love tomatoes. Annually, thousands of tons of tomato crop are ruined by the appetite of one tiny pest, the whitefly. Whiteflies feed directly on a tomato plant's leaves and then excrete a sticky substance known as honeydew, which causes further issues during the tomato's growth cycle. Every year, tomato farms spend a fortune on chemical pesticides to try and counter this highly adaptable, highly resistant pest. But researchers at Newcastle University have finally proven a novel way to defeat these mini-monsters. For hundreds of years, gardeners and allotment owners have planted marigolds next to their tomato plants to ward off unwanted attention from whiteflies. If that sounds like an old gardener's myth, think again. Our researchers have proven that this technique actually works. Marigolds naturally disperse a chemical known as limonene into their surroundings. This research has shown that limonene somehow confuses the whitefly's navigation and keeps them away from our precious tomatoes. Tomato growers can save money by using this environmentally friendly polyculture technique. Another example of how our groundbreaking research is helping to solve problems big and small. From Newcastle for the world.